You're wondering what the hell is going on in today's episode. I am making a space for cars and a space for bikes. So this is my wood that I bought for today's project. We got 5 boards of OSB, 11mm, which is pretty cool. We've got loads and loads and loads of timber. They're going to be moving over to here. Nice! Shut up, you! Got my drill. This is how you take them out. The light, like so. So we're going to move that. We're all out above me, as you can see. Which means we can start trying to work out how to move them over. What do you think? What do you think?
This light moved. This light moved, this light moved, and that light moved.
Meaning what?
Meaning that you can put the wall up.
Just bear with me in this episode. What are you eating?
Why straight onto me?
What are you eating?
Vegan sausages.
Vegan sausages? Yeah. That cupboard just dropped it clean on my hand and a sharp piece has gone right in. My finger is destroyed. I'm now struggling where the 2 cabinets are bolted together. The bolt's rounded off, so I've got to cut it. Okay. 1 finger later, 1 angle grinder later, 1 multi-tool later, and we are stripped out, ready for the wall. That was kind of more hectic than I thought it was going to be. Now, we're going to start at this end with my double doors. That opens that way. So when I come in my garage, I open a door this way, and I come in to the actual detailing station. Check it out. So I've got my first frame cut and laid on the floor. Okay, progress update. Where are we up to? We've got the first stud section in. We've got the door frame in. It's coming together. The couch is gone. We've removed the couch. It's now living down the side of the house till I get someone to pick it up. Let me show you where I'm at. So as you can see, the door frame is in. Looks pretty clean. Still a massive amount of space. Works out at about 3.5 meters wide, this section, and a car is under 2, so it leaves me a good meter around the car, which I'm happy with, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do is build another stud wall from here as far as it'll go at 2.4 and add to this one. As you can see, I had to put a brand new floor tile there and a brand new floor tile there, and I had to move the socket over to clear the wall. This part of the wall is in. So we are about to start boarding this bad boy. The whole frame is in, as you can see, all the way down here. It's worth noting that I am using OSB board, which is this sort of rough chipboard style material. Now, it's worth noting, and this is important, that I don't know whether it's gonna... Basically, if I like the wall, I'm gonna put something... If I really like the wall, I'm gonna put something way more permanent on. Like this stuff, which is thick as TNG boards. But to start with, I'm just going to be putting OSB board on, just to see if I like the space. How's it work for me? I'm going to paint it black. If I really like it, I'm going to take the OSB board off and I'm going to put something a little bit steezier on the wall, or cover the wall up with something really nice and fresh. So please bear in mind when you're watching this content that the OSB board is sort of temporary. Quick little message to say, as you can tell, this clip was filmed after this video because there's a sneak peek of the finished wall so far in today's video. Don't forget, on OWNA right now, we have got a crazy deal live where you get a free t-shirt with any hoodie or jacket. This is one of our brand new national patch hoodies. Let me show you from here. So this is one of our national patch hoodies that are an oversized fit. Along with all of the hoodies on the website, you can get a free t-shirt with any hoodie. So go to the website, type OWNA in on Google, add your favorite hoodie, your favorite t-shirt, and you'll get your t-shirt completely free. Thanks for the support. Don't like circular saws, they're just so noisy and messy. Right, let's try this. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to stand it up. I'm going to stand it up and then slide it this way. Oh, God. Two boards are in, looks pretty sick. Bit sketch up in that top corner, but I'll put a trim up that once I do the actual fascia board or whatever goes on there. But there's two boards in. Looks pretty mad. I'll show you the space on the other side. So as you can see now, I've got pretty fat storage space down here, where I might build like a full bike workshop down this corner. And then all of this space all here. Looks pretty cool. And then obviously that's my car garage. But I'm vibing it. I know it doesn't make sense to everyone, but until you've had a massive garage, you won't understand how easy it is to store so much rubbish. This is going to be good. I'm hyped. So I'm going to do one more board because I've got one more upright of timber. Check it. All the boarding is done. It's really ugly boarding, but it's not permanent, so bear with. Check it. All the way down. Pretty sick. So check it all the way down. I'll probably put some sort of like a blanking piece, or I'll store something high down there or something. Looks pretty cool though. I like it. And then we've got the doors there. Check it. Still pretty wide as well. And then this is the storage cupboard that I've built. Check it. So all that chaos and my bikes can go in here. Build some sick bike station down the end, and then this is the actual sick bit. Okay, and that is time. It is approximately 6 p.m. I've been on this all day. I'm pretty happy with what I've achieved so far. I've built my full stud wall. I've got my doors on, my frame on. These need a lining. We need some sort of a nice looking trim or paint on this OSB board. I've got to build shelving and decide whether I'm going to put them units back up, whatever, to get my detail and stuff. This desk needs breaking down and moving, and so on. So I've decided I'm going to do a second episode on this build, which is going to be pretty cool. Get involved in the comments below if you've got any ideas and suggestions. I hope you don't think it's crazy that I'm splitting my garage in two. This is definitely going to work for me. Already looking at this space right now, it just feels so much more usable for detailing with all the chaos behind that wall. Stay tuned. You know what I'm like. I always get to the bottom of all my projects and I always finish the job. Don't forget to tune in for the second episode, finishing the garage. It'll be in the next few days. Peace out. Oh, don't forget as well, free t-shirt, every hoodie or jacket on ownerofficial.com. Google OWNA or hit the link in the description of this video. There's no catch, it's that sick. Free t-shirt with any single hoodie that you order on OWNA. Thanks for the support. Peace.